Okay, welcome back to Art Sphere, and today I'm going to be showing you how to draw a bird, starting with a arrow and 6 easy steps. I got this from my good friend Joy, and I loved it so much that I wanted to recreate it and make it my own. So without further ado, let's get started. Step 1, you want to draw a triangle at the top of your paper like this. Just like that. Supplies, pencil, and with an eraser, white paper, a marker, and a smile. So once you have that arrow like this, you want to draw a curved line coming down like this. All the way out just like that. You'll see why in the last step. Step 2, you want to draw a circle. Like that. And inside the circle, you want to draw another tiny circle and shade it in. Just like that. Step 3, you want to draw a line coming from the top of the triangle. And stop right there. Okay? Step 4, you want to draw him some feet. Birds have feet exactly like a chicken because chickens are birds too. So one line down and 2 lines coming out like that. Step 5, you want to draw him a wing. Now right where you stop that line, that's where you want to start. You want to come over a little bit and draw one line like that and a hook on the end. Do it again, right here, another one right there. And you want to come all the way in here and connect those two. Like that. Don't make the mistake like I did, but you want to make it nice and straight. And then right here, above the line where you stop, you want to make another straight line like this. And then you want to make another wing like that. Now this bird's a little funky, so I'm going to give him some crazy hair. You can design your bird however you want it to look. My bird happens to have a mohawk, and he's on the ground, so we're going to draw a horizontal line on the bottom of our bird and some dots like for some bird food. And that's it. You have your very own bird. You guys are so great, and thank you for watching this video. I hope you draw your bird any way you want to. I can't wait to see how you color your bird. And once again, see you in the next video. Bye.